I'm going to start a roadmap of mastering data structure and algorithm in C++. Like if you are struggling with data structure and algorithms in C++, want to crack coding interviews to top tech companies like Google, Amazon, or Microsoft as well as this video is for you. I will walk you through a complete roadmap covering everything in C++ basic to advanced problem-solving techniques. Stay till the end, and I will also share the best platform to practice and a secret tip to spend up your learning. Firstly, we have to understand the fundamental before jumping into DSA. Let's make sure we have a solid fundamental in C++ programming. Here are the key topics should you know. Firstly, C++ basics, variable, data types, operators, learn how data is stored and manipulated, control flow with loops and conditionals, master in if-else, switch case, for loop, while loop, and do-while loops, function and recursion. Function allow reusability while recursion help in problem solving. Then we are moving with the pointer. Pointer is memory management, a must-known topic for understanding dynamic allocation and linked list. And then we are moving with the if you are not familiar with these, I suggest spending at least a week revising them before diving into DSA. Then we are moving with the object-oriented programming OOPS concept, like classes and objects. Learn how real-world entities are modeled into code, like encapsulation and abstraction, hide unnecessary details and focus on what matter. Inheritance and polymorphism. It's essential for writing modular and reusable code. OOPS principles are crucial, especially for designing large scale of application efficiently. And then we are moving with the complexity analysis. Understand the BigONotation. Like in complexity analysis, now that you know C++, let's talk about one of the most important concept in DSA like time and space complexity. BigONotation, time complexity O1, constant time, accessing as array element. O log n, logarithmic time binary search. And if we are talking about O(n), it's a linear time traversing an array. O(n log n), log linear time merge sort. O(n square), quadratic time, nested loop in bubble sort. And after that, we are moving with the space complexity, how much memory and algorithm needs. Optimizing space by using efficiently data structure. So first we have to understand the complexity, help in writing efficient code and optimizing performance. After that we are moving with the mastering basic data structure. Mastering basic data structure like data structure are the backbone of the DSA. Let's go through the most important one, basic data structure array. First, access, but its size fixed. Linked list, dynamic memory efficient insertion and deletion. And then we are talking about stack and queues, use in recursive and backtracking and scheduling. We are moving with the some advanced topic of data structure like advanced data structure in hashing, hash table, collision handling, used in database and caching. Then trees, binary search trees, AVL, heap, trie, essential for hierarchical data. Now we are study about graphs, adjacency list and matrix. BFS and DFS used in networks and shortest path algorithm. If you understand these, you can solve 80% of coding problem efficiently. So we are moving with the next topic like sorting and searching algorithm. In sorting and searching algorithm, like are fundamental operations, here are the key algorithm you should know. Some sorting algorithms like bubble sort, selection sort, insertion sort is easy, but O n square, log O n square, like merge sort and quick sort, heap sort used in real world application like O n log n. In sorting, we implement and analyze basic sorting algorithms like bubble sort, selection sort, insertion sort, then dive into more advanced algorithm like merge sort, quick sort, heap sort, and counting. And searching algorithms like linear search, it's simple but very slow. Its complexity is O(n). And in binary search, faster but require sorted data like O log n. Jump search, interpolation search, a special case for optimizing searching. Now we are moving with the dynamic programming. Mastering these will improve your problem solving speed. Dynamic programming and recursion. Many complex problems can be solved using recursion and dynamic programming. So, recursion base case or recursive case help in problem breakdown like backtracking, NQs, Sudoku solver used for decision based problem. And dynamic programming, we have to solve like Fibonacci, knapsack, longest common, subsequence used in optimization problem, memoization versus tabulation, a strong result to avoid calculation. Like in recursion, we have to learn the power of recursion, like understand the base and recursive case, apply backtracking techniques to solve problem, NQs, Sudoku solver. In dynamic programming, we have to master dynamic programming by solving classical problem like Fibonacci, knapsack, and longest common subsequence, compare versus stabilization with optimizing recursive solution. After these things we have done, now we are moving with the graphs. Now, graphs are used everywhere, from Google Map to social networks. Graph representation, adjacency matrix, and list. Two-way to represent graphs. Graph travels BFS and DFS used for search operation. Dijkstra algorithm, shortest path algorithm, and minimum spanning tree. Prim's and Kruskal algorithm used in network designing. Graph might seem through at first, but practice make them easier. So after doing these things, we are moving with the problem solving and competitive programming. Like problem solving and competitive programming is mastering in DSA is not just about learning concept, it's about practicing. Where we have to practice like LeetCode is the best for interview questions and CodeChef and CodeForces for the competitive programming. HackerRank is best for beginner-friendly challenges. So if you are beginner, so I suggest you firstly solve the HackerRank problem. It's a beginner-friendly challenge. Now, some important topics: sliding window, two pointers, using array problem, greedy algorithm, divide and conquer used in optimization problem, bit manipulation useful in low level programming, solve at least one problem daily, and participate in contest. You have to solve at least one to two problem daily and also participate in so many contests happen in LeetCode, CodeForces, HackerRank, so many platform. So and that the Complete roadmap mastering DSA in C++. So let me quickly recap you. Learn C++ fundamental, understand time and space complexity, and mastering data structure and algorithm, solve problems daily on LeetCode, CodeChef, participate in coding contest. If you follow this roadmap consistently, you will become a DSA expert and ace your coding interviews. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below on which DSA topics you want to master next. See you in the video. Thank you.